Google keeps rolling out new AI tools, and two of the buzziest are Whisk and Flow. One is great for visuals and image creativity, and the other is for video storytelling. But which one actually wins? Let's break it down. So, Whisk is Google's experimental AI tool for creative image generation and remixing. Instead of typing text prompts, you can drag and drop one or more images as the subject, scene, or style, and the AI uses that visual context to remix and generate new imagery. It leverages Gemini plus Imagine Tech for creative visuals and experimental generation rather than just text to image. Some of its pros: great for image-centric creativity, mood boards, concept art, and visual exploration. It's easy to use, dropped images, and tweak style concepts. It's expanding globally and now available in many more countries. However, it's still experimental. Results can be less predictable than mature text-to-image tools. It's not focused on video. It's best for static imagery and visual brainstorming. Some users note limitations or occasional tool bugs with image generation workflows. Whisk is essentially a visual ideation playground, great for artists and designers who start from visuals, not text. Flow is Google's AI-driven video creation and editing tool, designed to let you generate cinematic clips from prompts and stitch them into stories. It integrates advanced tools like VO and Imagine to build scenes, make short videos, control camera motion and transitions, and craft cinematic content without traditional filming. Some of its pros: very powerful for video storytelling, automated camera paths and scene joins, and dynamic visuals. It has already generated over 100 million videos since launch, showing strong adoption. It continues gaining editing features like object removal and multi-clip stitching. However, it's more complex than image tools. Generating quality video can take more credits and planning. Some users report bugs or generation limits depending on account and region, and access depends on Google AI plans and credits for video generation. Flow isn't just about random video snippets. It's built to help creators actually produce narrative scenes and cinematic content quickly. So which one wins? It depends on what you want. Pick Whisk if you're focused on visual creativity, image remixing, and quick concept art. It's easy to use for artists who think in pictures. Pick Flow if you want AI-powered video creation, telling story with motion, dynamic scenes, audio, and cinematic flow. In short, Whisk wins for images and visual ideation. Flow wins for video and storytelling. They're both part of Google Labs, and if you're a creator with both needs, you might want to use both in the same workflow. Image concepts from Whisk feeding into Flow scenes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.